Expense Envelope is a free app within the PEX Marketplace and provides users simplified transaction review, streamlined configuration, efficient export, and convenient history and tracking within your account. To download this new app, click on the Apps tab on the left side navigation. Then click on the Available tab at the top of the screen. You can now scroll through all of our available apps until you find Expense Envelope. Click on More Info at the bottom of the app tile. Finally, click Install. Once the app is installed, click on the Launch button. Now that the app is installed, let's configure the settings. On the first screen within the app, it will ask you if you want to organize via static text inputs or tags. Unless you want all GL options to be static, please ensure that you have tags enabled. If you need to enable tags, go to your business settings before proceeding. If you already have tags enabled, select them from the drop-down menu. Then hit the Save button and click the Next button to proceed. Once the preferences have been set, you will now be able to create envelopes. Start by selecting the card that you would like to pull transactions from, and then wait for the list to populate. Then select any or all transactions from this list. This will allow you to create and export a PDF envelope report. Here is the format of the resulting report. The top sheet shows all transactions pulled, and the below pages detail each transaction and its attachments. Once transactions are pulled out from the envelope app, they are removed from the list of available transactions. This allows you to keep easier track of what has been pulled out and finalized. We hope that you and your team find value in this new app to our marketplace. You can scan the QR code for more information.